Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to restrict formatting modifications while allowing typing in Microsoft Word. This locks your specific fonts, headers, and custom document layout styles permanently in place, preventing other collaborators from messing up your formatting rules while still giving them full access to edit and type text. First, open Microsoft Word and look at the main navigation tabs sitting at the top of your interface menu row. Click on the Review tab, then move over to the far right side of the toolbar and click the Protect button. Select Restrict Editing from the small drop-down layout to slide open a dedicated configuration control panel on the right side of your workspace. Locate the section header explicitly labeled 1, Formatting Restrictions, near the top of the pane. Check the box next to Limit Formatting to a Selection of Styles, then click the Settings. Link right underneath it to load your structural options. Click OK and confirm any warning prompts to strip out unauthorized overrides. Move down to Section 2, Editing Restrictions. Check the box to enforce editing rules and leave the drop-down menu option set cleanly to No Changes, Read Only. Scroll down to the Exceptions tracking block, highlight the specific text blocks you want people to type in, and check the box next to Everyone to grant them text access. Move down to Section 3, Start Enforcement, at the bottom of the panel. Click Yes, Start Enforcing Protection. Type a secure tracking password and click OK. And that's it. Your document formatting architecture is now completely locked down and optimized. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.